What are you doing?
I made dinner.
Are you making dinner?
Yeah.
What are you cutting?
I want to cut it.
What? What are you cutting right there?
Hey. Look at that.
Are you cutting onions?
Yeah, I got it.
For dinner? You're making dinner?
Eyes. Hurt. Owie.
It'll hurt your eyes. You need to wash your hands. You gonna wash your hands?
No, I want to wash hands.
Well, you need to. Let's wash the hands.
What?
Here, turn it on. You got soap? Well, here, use this soap here. Rub them around.
No.
Yeah, this soap. That's all I got.
No.
Here, try it. That don't have no soap. Here, Mommy got to put soap in that. Here, use this one. Now wash them up. Rub them together. Rub them together. Real good. Wash them, rinse them off. Okay, no more onions because then it'll hurt your eyes. You ready? You done cooking dinner? Okay, done enough.
No, I want to cook the dinner.